So it says Celeste drew the figure shown below. And so on your paper we're going to probably need to sketch this out. And then it says what is the area of the shaded section of the figure. So right now what you have done is you've already folded your paper because you watched the video. And your paper is folded into 6 equal sections. And we're going to be looking at number 1 together. So when I go back and I look at number 1 and it says Celeste drew the figure shown below, I'm going to sketch this figure for number 1. And it looks like my top measurement is 16 inches. My side, inside my figure, I have a shaded area. I'm just going to use some diagonals to make note of that shaded area. I know that this side over here is 4 inches. That this measurement here is 1 inch. And that this distance at the bottom is 9 inches. So when I go back and I look and it says what is the area of the shaded section, well, I need to know what is the length of the area and what is the width of the area. So I have to start thinking, if I want to know the length and I know the whole length is 16 and I know part of it is 9, what can I do to figure out this missing length? So I can take 16, I can subtract 9, and I will get 7 inches. So I'm going to label my picture. If I go too fast, you can pause the video and catch up. When I look at the side measurement, if I know this whole side is 4 and I know part of it is 1, what can I do to figure out the other part? I can subtract this missing part. 4 minus 1 is 3 inches. So I'm going to label my width 3 inches. Now that I have my length and my width, I'm going to go back to my mathematics chart and I'm going to think about what will help me get the area. What will help me get the area? And so when I look on my mathematics chart and I see the square, this is for perimeter, and I see area, and I have a rectangle, I know I need the length times the width. So, length times width equals area. My length is 7. My width is 3. I should be able to find my answer in square units. Do that now.